Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this cute character in Blender. This is from SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon. So let's model this character in Blender. Let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. This is very simple and basic model for beginners who are starting to learn 3D. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also, some gameplay of some games which I have. So, stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.